ready. Howdy friends. Gosh. Welcome to another edition of Angler's Deer. South KY Bass. I just run about a half mile. But today we're going to Lake Cumberland to fish for some bass. Got a pretty large group going. Hopefully we'll catch some. Is it going? Is it going? Okay friends, it's the next day. We're on the kayaks in the river. My pa actually got him one today. So we're getting ready to do some fishing. I know it's kind of been more of a fill you in type video, because I didn't get no footage of the lake fishing. Straighten my head up there. But today you're going to actually get to see some fish catching. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get on some. Actually, I'm using this GCP rod and reel. Y'all might know it's McKinley Phillips' favorite, but using it for live bait today. So it ought to be fun. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll catch some.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, got him. Whew. Look at there. River smallmouth. First fish of the day. Beautiful little smallmouth. Look at the colors on him. I mean, beautiful. Well, let him go. Oh, he's still on her. He's little. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I don't even know if you can see it from over there, friends, but that is a bluegill. And this is a small hook, but even a hook this small, still surprises me that I hooked him. Oh, I got him. Oh, good red eye. Well, he's decent. Oh yeah, he's boy. Another decent little red eye. Gone again. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. That, yeah. Is it going? Oh, damn. It's a good bluegill. Look at that. Oh, man. How in the world? Didn't even hook him in the mouth. I foul hooked him. Friends, you gotta look at this bluegill. This is a hand-sized bluegill right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a good bluegill. It's the best bluegill I've ever caught out here. Out of this river. I'm gonna turn him back because he's bleeding. That's a good bluegill right there. Off like a jet he goes. Now I tell you, if you want to come catch some pretty good fish, and they're easy to catch, come to the little South Fork here, get you a kayak or some kind of little boat, you can have pretty good time. Okay, back here from the river, you know, he's fishing them kayaks. We, you see here, got the horses. That's a mule right there, that ain't a horse. But yeah, but back here, as you can see, we caught a few fish. It was decent, you know, a decent amount. But I'm gonna close this video out. There'll be one right up in here somewhere, about a, what will it be, at about, well, the rising question, will we ever be back to CBR? And one down here will be similar to what the first part of this video was about, was catching South Kentucky spots on Lake Cumberland, and I thought it was a pretty good time. So check one of those out. If not, there's probably a little circle up here so you can subscribe to it. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time on South KY Bassin'.